Hello and welcome to the FrostySith Channel. Thanks for joining today for the Teaser Tuesday update for August. And there's a whole list of things, so I had to make an actual list of items. And all of these are not going to get completed in August, but here are the general things that we're going to be working on for the month of August and going into September. So that would be another installment on the keto trail, and it really is not limited to keto, but a keto aid drink mix, electrolyte type drink mix. It's real easy, and we'll end up doing a what's in my pack, because as I said, we're getting ready to plan a trip into the Wind River Range and some other areas out in the Rockies. And so before we go, I'll try and get that done, and if not, then we'll do a shakedown in a hotel or something on the way and show you what we're actually carrying. I've got, obviously YouTube takes some technology to make that happen, and so I'm going to be upgrading the storage on my workstation and installing a RAID 10. We're going to do a video on that. Also going to be doing a Lumix G95 update. Since I've had it and been using it, I'm filming on it right now, and we'll be getting that to you as well. We'll talk a little bit about the Wind River Range, and we'll be doing some summer vlogs on the way and while we're there, and we'll post those later. And then there's going to be some testing, so personal testing for just testosterone and PSA and other personal tests that you can do at home. We'll talk about that. And then do a couple of unboxings for some different microphones and other equipment that I've gotten. And then we'll talk about some trip meal prep and a few other things. So that kind of wraps up the Teaser Tuesday. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a minute and hit the subscribe button. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, and remember, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.